Welcome to Camp's World.
How you translate everything you say, okay?
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna translate everything you say.
For what?
Sitting on a question.
Feel shy?
Like I say earlier.
Spicy chicken and ramen. Patrick, first things first. Patrick wants the pink and white thing. It's just fish cake.
What, fish cake?
Yeah.
The cake? The cake?
Okay, try it. Try it.
Let's put some of the spicy stuff in there because you know me. It's gotta be spicy. Right? So mix that in a little bit. Let's try a little. Noodles look good. Broth looks nice. Good.
Dish. How about you? What are you eating already there? Salad.
But
Want to try this?
I do like these.
Is it? There's stuff to there. You want?
You want to try that? What is that, Patrick? Seaweed?
What do you got there, man? You got miso, seaweed, some nice grilled
Patrick
chicken.
is having teriyaki chicken,
I
breaded
eat this
chicken.
lettuce.
I think it's bok choy we call it, right? Bok choy?
Yep.
And then like soft boiled egg. Mmm.
Miso soup.
And a miso soup too. Oh.
Too hot, too hot, too hot, too hot.
For your tongue?
Yeah. And chicken.
And chicken. Okay. He likes to try everything. How's the chicken? Approved? Like it? Yeah.
And a Coke.
Delicious. How about your rice? You should try your rice. Here's the spoon.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Here's
So
the
late.
spoon.
Can I try a little bit? Your chicken? That piece? Thanks.
Crunchy.
Oh, that's good.
You want his food, didn't you?
I like that. It's very crispy. And it's got a little bit of sweetness to it. I think there's some honey on there or something.
Teriyaki.
Oh,
Teriyaki.
that's nice.
And mine is
My egg got
ramen
honey.
as well.
Why I think my egg got
But
honey?
ebi tempura in it.
Why I think my egg got honey?
Yeah.
Kid.
Patrick, drink your water, okay?
Only kids are allowed to have this. You're not a kid, you're an adult.
Okay.
I'm gonna zoom in, have a look what I have here. Some noodles, an egg, and my tempura.
Looks authentic. Having authentic ramen in Malaga,
Try
Spain.
the soup first. soup is good. Okay. Now let's go to the. What is this part? The other one? What's that?
Oh, I think that's bamboo shoots.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Good. I think I get the ramen.